Hello everyone, welcome to Zira. In this video, I will be guiding you through our Rate Dampener program and how it works. We all know that energy costs are rising fast. Luckily, we provide all the energy data about your facility to make sure it is running at maximum efficiency. Through our Rate Dampener program, managers can save more energy across their facility and help make more sense of their data. Now, this program came out of a funded research project ran by popular universities like UC Berkeley, MIT, and University of Chicago. This project resulted in a 17% average improvement in energy efficiency for many facilities. So here we are on Zira. Let's say we are a manager starting our day here on our platform. Instead of having no idea as to how much energy is being used in our facility at any given time, we can simply check out our energy overview dashboard that we have here on Zira. This is all customizable based on your facility, but with a quick glance, we can know how much our energy our plant is consuming, how much electricity has been produced, and what energy is going to production versus non-production during any time period. For plants that have solar energy, we can track that too. Through the trends on our time charts as well, we can estimate when peak hours of energy are and when downtime is occurring. Instead of paying no attention to our energy consumption, with just one click, Zira gives you all of your important energy metrics in one place. Now, after getting an overview of our energy consumption, let's say as a manager, we would like to see how our energy intensity is and where it stacks up compared to our previous periods and targets. Well, on Zira, we can create another dashboard that dives deep into our energy intensity, total production, and see if we are actually hitting our marks and being more energy efficient. Now, at a quick glance, we can compare our energy today to previous periods, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, and any time period we would like to look at, we can visualize that on Zira. If we go back to the last 7 days, the numbers in red show how far off we are compared to our previous 7 days. As you can see, lately we have been using more energy. However, the numbers in green show an improvement compared to our previous period, and that now we are consuming less. Therefore, on Zira, we can easily set targets for our energy intensity and see how far we are from it. Then we can use that data to understand differences on a line by line, shift by shift, or operator basis. Here we are on another dashboard titled Operator Panel that allows us to manage those processes that impact our energy consumption, such as downtime tracking, maintenance, and safety issues. Through this dashboard, we can see exactly when our machine stops and starts, and exactly how much downtime we have and what are the reasons for that downtime. We can dive deeper and attach specific documents like our startup checklist form. Therefore, on Zira, with just one click, we can start to manage those processes that might have an impact on our energy consumption, such as the reasons for our downtime and if our equipment is being better utilized. Through this Rate Dampener program, managers can save more energy across their facility and help make more sense of their energy data. Thanks for watching.